So far I've shown you how to make tzatziki and souvlaki style chicken skewers. Complete the meal with these Greek lemon style rice. So you want to start by first rinsing off that rice. That's going to get that excess starch off. Make sure that the rice is not sticky at the end. Now once you're happy with that, just set that aside and then heat up some olive oil in a saucepan. Then once that is hot, add in your chopped garlic and then just saute it until that is nice and fragrant. You want to roast it just a little bit because then we're going to add in that washed rice from earlier and just mix that all together and even roast the rice grains a little bit. Everything should be quite fragrant. There should not be any moisture left in that pan. Once you've stirred and kind of sauteed the rice grain with that garlic, then you can add in your veg broth. Now fill that up and then also add in your lemon juice. Now let that just come up to a simmer, and then as soon as that happens, lower the heat, cover it with a tight fitting lid, or in my case a plate, and leave a bit of a slit for excess steam to escape. And then as soon as most of that water, that broth has been absorbed from the top, you can take it off the heat and you're gonna get something that looks like this. Now it's important to just let the rice sit in its steam for about 5 to 10 minutes, and when it is done, you're gonna see that the rice grains almost are standing upright on the top, on the surface, and that's a really good sign that the rice is really nice and tender, but the grains are still firm, they hold their shape. Well, top it up with your dill and be sure to check out how to make an authentic Greek tzatziki and souvlaki chicken skewers. And keep a lookout for the Greek lemon potatoes.